So we've come today to the south side of Dol Idris, to the fields at Dol Idris near Talysyn, and we're standing in the middle of some of the hay meadows that we've been restoring over the last couple of years. It's a bit of a long-term project. It's a fascinating area. We're quite close to the National Nature Reserve, on the edge of that, but in a site of special scientific interest, primarily for the geomorphological aspects of the site and the very interesting geology, and particularly the glacial landforms that you see in this sort of area. But these hay fields are looking at their best at the moment now, and hopefully we can have a little bit of a closer look at them and perhaps identify some of the species growing here. So here we have the typical mix of flowers that you'd get in an old meadow. The catsia here is predominant, sea of yellow in the field. Also the oxeye daisies, looking wonderful at the moment. And then down in the bottom we have the eyebrights, which are semi-parasitic on grass, and likewise the yellow rattle, which has gone to seed, and there'll be thousands upon thousands of seeds in this field, which will help for next year. We also have some ribwort planting in the bottom here, and some red clover, which is a source of nitrogen. It's a nitrogen fixing plant, seeing as this field won't be getting any artificial fertiliser. It's an important one. So a lovely mix of flowers.